Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So we have so much of jewelry, but I will only show you my earrings box today. So let's start. Let me remove all the other jewelry. So my first earrings are this. Okay, they are not clear. Okay, these are my first earrings. They are like the there is one kundan kundan stone over here upside, and there is a like moon type of structure. They are so beautiful. I wore them in my cousin's wedding at the reception on a lehenga which is black colored. Now my next earrings are these earrings. They are quite long, so they can go with the sari or a lehenga, but the problem is they are not golden, so they are silver. So you have to wear these on some there are these dresses which are chicken curry and all material, so we can wear these surely on that, because also these one will be nice on that. Okay, so these are my favorite earrings. So let's unpack them. I put them in different packets because I don't want to ruin them. So these are, I hope you can see it, but in reality if you see this, you can see that, look how in light they are shining. So I got this for recently we had a marriage at our home, so I bought these for the reception. I also want to tell the prices with this. I forgot that. So these first one are quite expensive for the size of these. So I buy them for 150 rupees, and these jhumkas I got for only 100 rupees. I know they are with a set, but I matched them to make a set. They were originally not in a set, of course. So and these one I got from Itwara. It was 450 bucks, I think. 450 bucks. And then I have these tassel ones earrings. They are quite a common nowadays, and I have one. These one look quite cheap. Oh, I dropped one. These one look quite cheap, I know, but they can go on a kurti in office, and when you want to go some different type of style, I have to press them or put them in water, whatever they say. These are, I like too much. Oh, these are like other my earrings which are tassel. They are gray in color. They look nice on, like I said, they are not so shivery. This upper part is quite shivery, but okay. So next we have a set on which the earrings and the bindi is same. This is the bindi and these are the earrings. So I got a set. This set, okay. These earrings I got for 50 rupees, and this one are so cheap. I got them for 10 only from Thela only. So I got these good earrings. I did not wear this. I didn't have a chance to wear them anywhere. So this is the bindi. This is the bindi like this, and earrings like this. They can go very nicely with lehenga. Lehenga, they can go very really nice, like a red lehenga. I got these three. I know you will be shocked. I got these three only for 350 rupees. But you know why I'm saying you will be shocked? Because this material is so nice, so nice. This material is, I love it. So I will try it. And these jhumkas are love. I know they are yellow, so I can't wear them, on all the dresses. But this yellow color is so fresh, and they are so sweet, so cute. My sister gifted me these on her wedding. I asked her that these I love, and she instantly said, "Arey le lena," and I did not say no because I loved them. I love them. Look, the print is not clear over here. There are flowers on it. They are so cute. I don't know its price, but she doesn't buy too much expensive things though, so they are obviously under 300 or 400 only. Now these one, I have a red lehenga I wore on my sister's engagement only, but these one from my sister only. She gave me this particularly for that lehenga, because obviously it was my exam time. So I accepted these for that lehenga, and it looked amazing. And these are, I know its price, these are for 80 rupees or around that only. The material is not metal. Main thing is they are so lightweight that you can do all stuff. I was so busy in my sister's engagement. And next we have these. These are two old earrings. This, I don't know, it's not clear. I think look like this. These earrings, I got them for I think at that time, because they are too old, like 6 or 7 years old. So I got at that time these for 90 rupees or something. Now it will be obviously over than 200 rupees. So these are still there is one diamond not there. I love these earrings, and I wore it for so many times, especially on friends' birthdays. I wore it on two almost birthdays. Look at these. Okay. So price, its price is nearly, I think, 80 rupees or something. I don't exactly remember because it's more than 2 years I buy it. So these, I got this for 80 or 90 rupees maybe. These I buy from local only. I don't go for brands and like too much expensive things. Our next is this anklet. These one I brought from a mela, but the problem with these is they look quite cheaper. Means in here it's maybe not looking like that, but when you see it, they look like quite cheap. But if you see it from a distance, I don't think they will look cheap anymore. So I got these for only 25 to 30, I think 25 rupees only from a mela. that I have already mentioned, I think. So next, I got this next. These one I got because I like these one really much. You know, these are orange. I can't wear these on any outfit, you know. So I got these one. They don't have any color. They don't have any color, so I can wear these on any outfit, and especially when you want to go like quite simple, wearing a good zari kurti or something, and you want to make your look really nice. So when you wear this your look enhances, you know, with so much less efforts. You know, you don't have to really carry too much jewelry and all. So I prefer big earrings to enhance my look, because I am not a jewelry person. I know I have lot of jewelry, but I am seriously not a jewelry person. And these are, I love these because you know, there are some jewelries you love because of their pattern. It is oval, it is golden, it has pearls, and it has these stones. This makes it perfect. So these earrings I love too much. Look at these. They are single earrings, so got to end. I will make another video. So please tell me if you like this video. Single earrings, so got to end. I will make another video. So please tell me if you like this video. Should I next do? Or obviously I have plans, because this is my only first video. So I have plans to do what to do next. But I will appreciate your opinions if you have any. So thank you for watching my video. If you have watched it so far, I really appreciate. Thank you.